Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a new pair of earphones to show you all. These are my brand new One More dual driver in-ear headphones. They're high-res premium quality earphones that come with dual drivers in them. The One More dual driver come in this sort of box packing. You've got a picture of the product here. These earphones have a graphene dynamic driver and a balanced armature driver that work together and deliver superior quality sound. I'm pretty excited to unbox and check them out. The packing looks very nice. Let's see what is written at the back of the box. Okay, you've got the specs over here. They are in-ear type earphones, weigh about 15 grams, have a length of 1.25 meters, the frequency response range is from 20 Hz to 40 kHz, the impedance is 32 ohms and the rated power is 5 milliwatts. So those were its specs. Now let's check out the pricing details. The price on the box says 4,499 rupees, but they're available for only around 3,799 rupees. So that's it about the box. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. I want to thank One More for sending me this product for review. So this is the One More dual driver box. The outer cover slides out like this, and inside we have another white box with the One More branding on it. I really love the box packings of One More products. They give you that premium feel while unboxing. Here we go. Alright, so this is how the inside looks like. You've got some kind of box here. Let me just take it out. I guess we've got the earphones inside that. We'll just check it out in a moment. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. You have an accessories box here. Let's open it and see. You get a metal shirt clip with the One More logo on it, a carry case for the earphones. The quality looks nice. You've got some documents as well. There's a product brochure with all the different products made by the company, a user manual. Just make sure to read it for all the info on the product. And you also get a One More brand sticker. So these are all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the earphones. The dual driver earphones come in this box. Let me take it out of this cover. And here they are. Wow, just look at that box. You've got the One More branding and you can see the earphones through the box. At the back side, you've got the specs of this product. Alright, let's just peel these tapes and check out the earphones. By the way guys, I love peeling stickers on brand new products. Don't you guys feel the same? Okay, let's open it up. And the earphones come packed like this in a silicone mold. The mold is very soft and smooth and they come nicely secured in it. Let me just put it aside. So along with the earphones, you get 3 pairs of extra ear tips. They come in extra small, small and large, assuming the medium ones are on the earphones. Now let's finally check out the main product. I'll just take these earphones out of the mold and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. So this is how the One More dual driver earphones look like. They come only in one color, jet black, and look very beautiful. The outer housing is entirely made of aluminum alloy and has these nice silver accents on it. Gives it a very premium look. It's got an ergonomic oblique angle design to naturally match your ear canals. The outer surface of the body is sandblasted to give that aesthetic appeal, and it's also fingerprint resistant. The One More dual driver features one balanced armature driver, which is like a tweeter that produces sizzling clear treble, and one graphene driver which takes care of the mids and the bass. So both the drivers work together to produce uncompromised sound. The ear tips are also made of high quality silicone and feel soft and durable. Talking about the cable quality, these One More earphones have Kevlar core cable to provide long-lasting durability and resilience. The cable runs down to this inline remote control. It's made of plastic, but the chamfered edge just gives it a premium look. It's got volume up, play pause and volume down buttons, and the quality of the buttons is also nice. On the other side, you've just got a microphone. The TPE cable runs down to this metal connecting point, beyond which the lower half of the cable is braided with nylon to provide tangle resistance and higher durability. And this is its gold-plated L-shaped 3.5mm jack. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The One More dual driver earphones are super comfortable to wear for long time usage. They fit perfectly in my ears and do not fall off that easily. The noise isolation is also great. Coming to the audio quality was just amazing. Nothing less expected from One More. The mids were crisp and clear, you could clearly hear all the details in the audio. The treble quality was also very nice thanks to that extended frequency range, and coming to the bass was good and punchy. It was not overwhelming, I felt it had the right amount of bass. The distortion was also very less even at max volume, and the audio output was also satisfactory. On the overall, they were giving amazing audio quality for the price, and the quality of the mic was also good during call conversations. So that was my review on the One More dual driver earphones. They're very good earphones in that price range. The build quality looks premium, the audio quality is amazing, and they're also comfortable to wear. These One More dual driver cost around 3,799 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check them out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.